Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Yay! My name is Sontz and this is a channel that I created because I just wanted a community and a safe space for us natural hair girls. Yay! This is going to be a place where we get to share, learn and just have fun. So I'm super excited for that. And if you are interested in that, please subscribe to my channel and click down below the subscribe button and share with your friends. Like, let them know that we are here. Okay, we're doing this. Yes. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial because I did a poll on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, please follow me on Instagram at Simply.sontz. And I did a poll on Instagram asking people if they would like to see a hair tutorial or a hair lookbook, and everybody was like, we want a tutorial, so I'm gonna give the people what they want. Yes. So yes, if you are interested in seeing how I do this super cute hairstyle right here, this one, please stay and enjoy. Okay guys, so we're going to start with what we're going to need. You're going to need eco styling gel or any styling gel, a brush, a red tail comb, two bobby pins, a water bottle, and two hair ties. So guys, as you guys can see, I started out with stretched out hair and just opened the middle part and split it into two sections. I'm going to start by spraying water from my water bottle. This is just going to moisturize my hair and it's going to make the gel like hold better, because gel just holds better when your hair is moisturized and is kind of hydrated. Then I'm going to take my brush and just brush into the direction I want my hair to go into. And yeah, then I'm going to pull my hair down because I want to have like a low ponytail. So I'm going to pull my hair down towards my neck so that it's a low ponytail. Then I'm going to go in with my styling gel, and guys, you can use any styling gel. It doesn't have to be eco styling gel, but I just prefer eco styling gel. So I'm just going to use the styling gel to sleek down my hair so that it's sleeked and flat. I would not recommend using too much gel for this hairstyle because this is a hairstyle that might last over a couple of days, and you don't want your hair to be like suffocated by the gel. So I wouldn't suggest using a lot of gel, just enough so that it lays down flat. Then I'm gonna brush it in. I'm gonna brush the gel in so that your hair is like, sleeked and it has that sleeked look. I'm gonna take my first hair tie and I'm gonna tie it down into the ponytail, and yeah. brush one last time to ensure that everything looks neat and tidy. Then what I'm going to do on one side, I'm going to do on the other side as well. Once I'm done with my other side, I'm just going to stretch down my hair and then twist it out. This is just to help stretch out your hair. But I'm just going to twist it down. And I'm going to do this on both sides. Once that's all done, I'm going to take a bobby pin and then just pin down, then take one of my twists, fold it over to the other side and pin it down. Then I'm going to do the same for the other twist, and I'm just going to fold it over to the other side and then use my bobby pin to pin it down in place. And there you have it, a super cute, sleek down, out of your face, easy, simple lockdown hairstyle. So guys, that was my tutorial. As you guys saw, I really hope you guys find it super helpful. If you do try this hairstyle, please let me know and tag me on Instagram. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, follow me at Simply.sontz, or I will leave a link in the description box. And please do like this video, share if you like it. If you really enjoyed it, do give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Let your friends know that Simply.sontz has her own channel now. Yay! And please subscribe to my channel and let me know. Any feedback would be so amazing. And thank you guys for watching. Yay! Bye guys. Bye.